So it's full valet time tonight. Literally, I've ripped around with my vacuum cleaner and I'm just on the Mr. Sheen now. So I've been around. I'm hoping to get my winter carpets in. So we're feeling a bit more, it's getting a bit, I know it's really warm at the moment, but it's starting to get a bit misty outside, getting a bit like you need carpets on the floor. So I said to Caroline, right, I'm just gonna rip round with the Hoover, get all that last minute little bits of dust out. I'm fussy, I'm fussy. All in behind the seats, Mr. Sheen, get all the dust out. So I'm just working around the kitchen, doing all my handles, all my chrome stuff. But don't forget, chrome don't get you home. But now it's, that's what it's all about. Giving it a good old spruce up. So yeah, basically on this trip next week, I know it's, like I was just saying about the weather at the moment, it's been super mild, but I'm sort of getting that feeling as well where I need to get my shovel in and my snow chain. So I just get that time of year, and I think it's going to happen. I was just looking at my little switch here. So on this one, we have the little switch here, which is the little element in the waste water tank. So if we get anywhere where it's like frosty and we don't want that waste water tank to freeze up, we can just put that one on and the little element will heat up in that waste water tank. So always a great little feature, that one. I remember in our roller team when we was up in Austria, and we managed to get on a St. Anton, I think it was, where we ended up with a frozen water tank. It was solid and the water was starting to back up the pipes. So in the end, we were lucky on the camping down there. They had a huge like heated warehouse kind of place, a big shed, and we managed to get a super hot steam cleaner down there and managed to jam it up the wastewater tube and get it all thawed out. But that's one of the reasons we ended up in this one, to get that heater element in there. So hopefully we won't suffer from that again if we get super cold. But there we go. Coming on round into the bathroom area, still giving it the Mr. Sheener all the way around. Let's get some lights on. Whoa. Up across there, my lovely cabinets. Look at this. And it smells so good, this stuff. Coming right down around the bottom. I'm just going to wipe that first. Everybody likes a shiny John. Look at that. Oh, look at that, yeah. If anybody's actually watching this, I do appreciate you watching actually with me actually cleaning my motorhome toilet, whatever next. But isn't she shiny? Look at that, John. Oh, look at that. Super shiny toilet. Wow. All around here. Getting around the back, get all that dust out. I've had a good old hoover around in here, so it's all pretty nice. Got a little lights there, shining brightly up over the back. Yeah, all these walls. Cabinet. Beautiful. Look at that. Wonderful. the whole of my shower walls. It's going to be super shiny in here, love it. All the taps. Let's make it shiny. Beautiful. Super shiny shower. Loving this gold. Oh, look at this. I still love everything about this moho. And when it's all super shiny like this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Just glistening in here. Where would you rather be? In your motorhome, or in your motorhome on the quay at Dusseldorf, overlooking the River Rhine, or in the Breederbach Hof Hotel for 600 a night? This is where I want to be. And then we just go and smoke some cigars or something, you know? So we have a little waste trap under the sink. So I've got my trusty bowl. I've got some nice kitchen towel as well. So I'm just going to remove this and just see how much debris in there. It doesn't look too bad actually. I'm just going to give that a little wipe out. The cap's a little bit mucky, so we'll just give that a little wipe. Let's have a look up in under there. Yeah, there is a little bit of muck up around there. I'm just going to get my kitchen cloth, my kitchen towel, and just see if I can get rid of that slimy stuff up there. It's not over the top, there's not much in the cap, so it all looks pretty nice. Yeah, there's the cap. There's kind of like a bit of a, it's just a bit soapy, bit sort of slimy. I'm going to give all that a wipe out. Let's get that cleaned up. Actually, believe it or not, there's a lot of slime up there. I've just left that on the kitchen roll so you can see it. But I'm just going to give that another, so it's sort of up in there, and I want to get rid of all that because that gets a bit stinky otherwise. I'm going to eliminate all that grime. Get rid of that. Yeah, no, I've actually come down under and look it up. There's this sort of little recess up round here that's pretty gummed up. You can see the bit there that I've cleaned out. That's looking back up through the sink drain. So I'm just going to try and eliminate all that gunge around there because it is quite scummy. So yeah, I've been here for probably about 10 minutes now, just scraping it out, and I just couldn't believe how much like debris is up lodged in there. I'll show you, I'll turn the camera around in a minute, but that's looking back up through now. I think we got most of it. Yeah, so what I've done was underneath the sink where the outlet is, just to stop all this gunge and stuff like flying around my motorhome, I just put a kitchen towel to catch the remnants of what's falling down. That's the loose stuff. And look at the kitchen towels I've got down here. I've probably rinsed through about 10 kitchen towels, and look at the bloody stuff in there. I can't believe it. I'm going to wrap all this crap up now and get it in my recycling bin out of the way, because that is nasty stuff. So I'm going to put the cap back on, and then I'm going to go and get some grey water stuff and get down that drain. But that's going to make a tremendous amount of difference. I've been just using a very small screwdriver as well. I'll show the screwdriver I'm using. Just a very small screwdriver just to scrape out all the debris, and that is looking really, really nice down there now. That's a big advantage. I noticed the other day, you sort of come in, you start looking down the sink, and you're washing your teeth and stuff, and it was just looking a little bit grubby around there. And you know what it's like. You start getting them, you get a few of them nasty niffs coming up, and you think it's going to come up from your pipe, but in all honesty, it's probably actually coming from underneath there. So that is a absolute bargain of a job done tonight. Right, so I've just located my grey water freshener concentrate stuff up. Yeah, got that. So I'm going to just drop a little bit of this. I don't know what this stuff smells like. What does it actually smell like? Is it? Oh, it's quite nice actually. Like almost like a fairy liquidy kind of smell. But so now I'm just going to drop a bit of that down there. Let's get a bit of that down there. Look at that, that's lovely. Oh yeah. This is drain heaven. I need to get some more of this stuff. And look at that, that's lovely. That's going to make that smell. Right, let's have a little smell. Give it a sniff. Oh mate, that's lovely. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, this is drain heaven in your moho. Oh yeah, that's good. You know, look, I'll tell you what, talking about skating, look at this. That's Mr. Sheen look, on the top of your toilet. Look at that, look at that. That is super shiny. Look at that. Whoa. Skating around. Look at that. Oh, nice. Woo. I just went to put it on there and just slid off. Fun can you have on a Wednesday night when it's misty and rainy outside? Right, let's get this all back in. Got our little bits and pieces here to go back in. Oh, let's go. Oh, I'll tell you what, let's just save a bit of that. This is the old good stuff. This is the good stuff. There's the rituals, and this is the ritual of karma. Let's have a bit of that, I think. Let's have a little bit of that. Ritual. Oh. Right, that's back in there. Lock that up there. Just have a little rinse round. God, this is smelling so nice. Oh, my duck. My ducky. Don't forget your bathroom duck. I can't leave home without it. Right, that goes in there. And look at that sink. Oh, well, I'm going to call it, I think, to be fair, I'm going to call this a wrap tonight because I need to go and get a shower. I've been here way too long enjoying myself, cleaning drains out. And yeah, but what a result. I'm so chuffed with that. I'm just going to put the little stopper in the top of there, and then that is definitely a wrap tonight. I think the carpets are going to have to go tomorrow night. I need to get in and have a shower. I've been here way too long, but down through the moho now. It's looking super shiny, clean. Oh yeah. So tomorrow night, maybe it's going to be the internal windscreen clean and get my Crit Air sticker in there. That's what I originally come out tonight. I originally come out to stick my, I've been so excited about getting my Crit Air and I still haven't got it in my windscreen. But it will happen, it's going to happen. But at least the floors are lovely and clean now, vacuumed all the way through. And tomorrow night it's going to be, let's get the carpets down and Crit Air sticker, do that windscreen. And okay guys, anyway, yeah, so I think it literally, this video is just turned into cleaning out the drain. You know what I mean? Cleaning out my bathroom drain is a definite, you know, that's a really good job done. Right, I'm not going to be about the bush any longer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that's maybe inspired you. If you've got a smelly drain, get in there, hack it out, and get it freshened up. It's smelling divine in here. Honestly. Catch you later on, guys. Take it easy.